What's up, gamers? I'm here with my BMW F30 435i, and I'm gonna do what they call the EDC deletes. This car is on bags currently, and I only got fucking two hands right now. I don't got a phone carrier or nothing, so I'm just gonna show you where the shit is. Now I'm gonna tell you how to do it, and that's about it. But first, we gotta take this shit off here. They're all just 8 mils. They're all just scattered around. Take it off, pretty simple. And then once we get to the next part, I'll just show you what needs to be done. But I'm sure once you probably played around with your, good God. Once you played with your with your fucking suspension, good Lord. You're gonna have these extra cables here. You probably lost the dampening control. And you know, you can't use your sports controller or whatnot. But anyway, take the lining off, 8 mil sockets, and I'll get back to you. All right. Now you got the shit off, right? Now you got yourself 2 cables right here. You're just gonna go on and yank that shit off right there. And it's just a push down tab. Real simple shit, guys. You fucking push it down, peel that shit off, right? And then once you peel her off, you're gonna wanna, let me just show you what I mean. Let me see if I... All right, fellas. So this is what we got. We yanked out the 2 wires that dangled on and hang on here. Don't need them, gone. You're gonna need this one here though. And what we got going on here is that there's this white locking piece that holds this little outside plastic housing. You need to just pry your nails in it, or if you just have like a flathead, pry it up and just out of the way. I mean, I just break mine, to be honest. But it's not locking the shit in. So now all you got to do, and I'm pretty sure I could probably just do this with my little phalanges here. There's a little clip right there in the back. Flip it up and pull it up towards like upstream, and it'll slide that way up. And then once you do that, you fucking press into the prongs, and you just slide the prongs out, really. So let me get this slid off, and then I'll show you how to press into the prongs. All right, once you slid your shit up, here it is still. You could you can go ahead and break that white plastic that went around here, or just throw it off. I mean, I just threw my shit on the ground somewhere around here. And so what you're gonna see here are those little metal clips. And I go ahead and I would use a pick, but right now I'm just using this. I press it in for both. Press one in, press the other in. Slide this off nice and gently. Shouldn't be too hard to take off. And I think what's important to take from this spot is just see the number orientation. There's gonna be a 2 here, and that's gonna be important, I think, because you're gonna want to put your shit back the same way it was found. I think apparently you can put it back on however you want, but I'm just gonna put it back the way it seems to go. All right, guys. So we fucking slid this shit off. Now we just got bare prongs. Now all we're gonna want to do is press that back clip again, so we can just get the green part. And damn, brothers, I wish I could show you a better way, but I don't even know if you can even see what I'm doing. But I'm just gonna go ahead and press that back part. This lighting's already so bad that I'm struggling to see what I'm doing. But holy fucking smokes, it's usually not this hard, I swear to God, guys. There it is. I don't even know if you saw that. But anyway, at this point, make sure your shit make sure the 2's facing upwards, dog. Make sure it's reading right. Leave the green shit on. And really, you're just gonna shove this shit in there until you hear a click. But before you do go ahead and do that, make sure you put this on the right direction first. So this is gonna need to be facing that way. And you just slide her on in like that right there. Oh, good Lord. Oh. Yeah. You know what I'm saying. You slide the shit on, bingo, bingo, bongo. You slide the prongs in there, And that's how you get the front done. Put your shit back how you normally do. And then I'm going to show you how to do the back. All right, fellas. Now we're in the rear. Now, this shit's fucking simple. I mean, you already know how to do the front. Basically, what I do here is I just take off the 3 bolts here and the 2 on the bottom. And the 1 10 mil up here. All 8 mils except that 1 10 mil. And then once you're in here, I mean, you fucking do the same thing. Go ahead, yank her on out of the fucking box. Go ahead. Oh, good Lord. And you just do the same shit, rinse and repeat, boys. And I mean, I tuck mine inside the headliner, hanging off the headlight. Oh, I said headliner. The fucking wheel well. And it's hanging off the headlights pretty much right behind that box there. And on the other side, I actually got to use a clip that wraps around one of the wires. But I actually got to anchor it on to the headlight itself. Like it just kind of slid in between the fucking headlight. So I got to do that on that side, but this side I didn't get to. So I just used 2 zip ties, attached it to one of the wires. And bingo, bingo, bongo. But as for this side, all I did was, damn, where the fuck did I think I just reconnected it to this wire. So I put the shit on and I just looped it up and then tucked it all away. Bingo, bingo, bongo. Fuck. I forgot what Moist Critical says. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks. Hopefully this helps. I couldn't find any good videos for the 435. And all the other ones were really shitty. I'm sure this one's pretty shitty too because I didn't really get to show you how to do it. But there's other videos that the guys show you how to do it. There's one guy with the M3 F80 who does this. But his shit's on top and our shit's on the bottom. I didn't know where that was. But hopefully this was pretty good, helpful. And I don't think I'll make any more videos about this vehicular here. Only because I like keeping this bad boy stock other than the air ride. And I mean, it's not tuned or nothing. So yeah, thank you. See you later.